Squad, we're here for the 2019 IAAPA. There's so much excitement. I want to see all the new stuff, and let's go check it out. Let's go see everything new for 2020. Let's go. All right, ETT Squad. It looks like they're going to put a new roller coaster, which they are. Where? It's going to be on Carnival. What cruise line? What ship?
Wait a minute.
It's Carnival Cruise Line.
On a cruise ship?
Yes, roller coaster on Carnival Cruise Line. Yeah, it's going to be on the Mardi Gras. These guys helped me right here. Yeah, you guys.
This is ours.
Yeah, this is our baby.
It's Carnival Entertainment.
Yeah.
Well, what do you guys do?
Well, I'm in charge of DJs, and these guys.
Games and activities. And
Who's director?
Programming and development. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Hello.
She used to work on cruises.
Oh, it's amazing. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Angela. Hello.
I always like meeting cruise directors on the ship.
Well, come on the Breezer Vista. You'll see me.
There we go.
I don't.
It's a hashtag.
I know. Hashtag cruising with no. Cruising with no. Facebook, Instagram. CRUISIN with no.
You're the cruise director on
Breeze and Vista this year. Yes. Yes. Of course. I'll see you guys.
Okay, let's get on. Okay, let's check this out. This is so cool. Wow, I'm on the boat. Wow, look at this. Oh, they have like a camera in the front. There's a camera in the front. Oh, they're going to vault. I know, yeah. Woo!
It's on this.
Yeah.
Oh, it shows it.
Yeah, so it shows the screen. Look, that's what that part. That's so cool. It's gonna go around the whole ship, pretty much, right? That's awesome. All right, so this is something new at the IAAPA 2019. Yeah, we're gonna go on the cruise ship and ride it. We'll take 2 Kahlua sunrise.
Absolutely, with the cinnamon, sugar, and lemon.
Yes, please.
That's our original Beavertails flavor.
Yeah, so that one's delicious.
So there's number 1.
Definitely put a lot of lemon on that. Oh, we squeeze it ourselves?
Exactly.
Okay, perfect.
Freshly squeezed. 2 of those, eh?
Yes.
And here's that second Killaloo sunrise.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
All right, ETT Squad, now that we got our Beavertail, I'm going to put the lemon. It's so delicious. They said this is the original. Just lemon and some sugar. Oh, yeah, delicious. Cinnamon sugar. Let's try a piece. Good. Yum, yum.
Follow me in merry measure.
I think we're dancing.
I know, aren't they
for
so,
the singing.
it's so cool with penguins. Check the penguins out. Let's look you just
Frosty, press the
Frosty. Where's, come on, Frosty, wake up. Frosty's waking up, look.
He's awake.
Frosty. Wish you a Merry Christmas. Frosty, he's so soft and sweet.
He's got a carrot nose.
He has a carrot nose. Okay. Now what are these then, Moose? This is reindeer.
White reindeer.
Reindeer.
With joyful ring, all caroling, one to hear words of good cheer.
it. I
let's
got
try
cookie
it.
dough.
She got
Cheers.
cookie dough. Cheers.
Sort of.
That's good. That's good.
One of the activities.
Is everyone ready for Christmas?
There's Jack Frost. Actually, we saw him in a recent movie on Netflix. There was a movie that we saw with Jack Frost. Jack Frost is creepy looking, isn't he? Want some ice cream?
The best.
Dipping Dots. Look, he froze it.
Snowman and icicle.
I know. Oh. Whoa.
Hi! How are you?
Get some moisture out of it.
Yeah, I've been moisturizing. I think it's working. I think it's working.
Yeah, you should have seen him beforehand.
Yeah. This, I've been doing a little conditioner.
You look good.
Thank you. I try.
Look at your stomach again. You ate a lot. Alrighty, TT Squad, let's go inside the Skyliner. Let's go.
Are we going Epcot or Hollywood Studios?
Yeah, let's just go around all the parks.
Go everywhere.
Look how different it is.
It is
I guess they do it
different.
different.
The seats
This looks like a Wonka Vader.
Yeah, this does look like a Wonka Vader.
This is the Great Glass Wonkavator.
But look, it's different. It's like you have like seats, separate seats.
Yeah, it's weird, the texture.
It's neat. Separates you compared to the bench and the ones in Disney.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go glamping.
There you go.
Yeah, let's go glamping. Come on,
going
Jessica.
glamping?
Yeah, let's go. Actually, this reminds me of something that you would see in Africa, right?
Yeah, like that movie.
Let's see if the bed's comfy.
That movie we watched.
It's really comfy.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, very comfy.
It's kind of bouncy.
I know it's bouncy. It's an inflatable float. Get one.
I used to make
Get a
these too.
different one.
I've never had the cashew.
Actually, what is
What are you gonna get? Look,
I think almonds.
The almonds are the best.
almonds. Get an almond.
Try almonds first.
I'm gonna get some.
I'm gonna try almonds.
Cash and try cashews too. No, so we have different
No, I think
ones.
it's almonds.
We have different ones. Thank you. We want different. Look, let's try. I got the almonds. Got the almonds. Jessica got pecans. Let's try. Ooh, this looks smells so good.
They are good.
Let's see.
Those are so good. Try that one. I can't get one. There we go.
Good.
You have to move. Wait. I will wait for you. You have to move forward and back and spin it very fast. Forward and back and spin fast.
Okay, let's
Wait. And after
I'll
that,
tell you when.
move your arms up and
That's
continue
so
slowly.
cool.
Yeah, come on, cut.
Okay, like this.
And spin it faster. Much faster. And forward and back. Forward and back. Forward. Yeah, and
This
continue
is
spinning.
so cool. ETT's got popcorn.
Continue spinning and move your arms up
Cotton
to the
candy.
side.
I'm gonna say popcorn with all the excitement.
Yeah, and continue spinning.
Oh yeah. That's so cool.
That's it. Whoop, it's yours.
It's mine, thank you. Jessica, look. Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
Giant clouds of deliciousness.
Oh,
Cotton candy's
yeah.
like my favorite thing.
Yeah, now we're gonna go try some more stuff. Let's take a bite.
Let's try it.
Oh wow. Yum.
So messy and delicious.
It's like I'm eating a cloud. We'll take me and the camera guy 2 lemon ones.
2 lemons.
Your original Canadian.
Exactly.
Those are good.
They are. Have you had them before?
Yeah, I have. Really good. Thank you. Love you, look.
There you go.
2 of them. 2 for me. 2 for me. Look at chocolate. This one's the best. This is the original. The Beavertails with cinnamon. What is it? With sugar?
Cinnamon and sugar.
Cinnamon and sugar and lemon. Look at that goodness. So good. Now I'm going to squeeze all the lemon on it.
Well, now you know feel free to come back home.
No, they're not.
You're gonna think it tastes like one. But feel free to come back and try another place. Yeah.
How can we help you guys?
Mine's like, and I'm holding this too.
All right, we're at Margaritaville, and we got our mocha. What is it called? Mocha Me Crazy.
Mocha Me Crazy popsicle.
Let's open it up.
And I have a frozen hot chocolate.
Let me see if I can open it up.
I'm gonna taste this one first. Whether you want a strawberry or not, you get
Oh, there I got it.
2,000 years later.
I almost have it open.
It's got marshmallow in it too.
Oh, yeah.
I gotta open mine. Cheers. I have like too much stuff in my hand.
Good, delicious. Let's go check out some more food. I got my dipping dots.
Mine are all gone.
Yours just ate hers. I
I
have
ate 'em.
cookies and cream, and we're here with all the Christmas stuff. Look, a big gingerbread cookie.
Got the gingerbread man
That's a huge gingerbread.
and a big tree.
We're gonna bring him to Disney.
He's gonna come on the ride with us.
Yeah. It's inside a Christmas tree. I'm trying to get the pizza from Garfield.
155-629-124. Garfield, what are you doing?
Memorizing the phone number for a local pizza place. I hear they'll deliver anywhere. And with your fishing skills, I think we're gonna need it.
Look at that tree with all the lights, how cute.
For an exotic location.
Alright, look at it. These teddy bears are so soft.
They're super soft.
The hot pink one.
He's all dressed up.
And then look, they have an orange teddy.
She's got babies.
So soft and snuggles.
They're very snuggling. You can sleep on this like a bed.
I know, yeah, that'd be cool, right? For a media room,
Like
that'd be
big,
so
big
cool.
bear bed.
Now we've seen so many things. What else are we gonna look? There's so much here
so
now.
much to see.
Yeah, so much to see in IAAPA. So much stuff. What are we gonna go see now, Lovey? How do I do it from there?
I think you press this.
Come on, grab it, grab it, grab it. I'm gonna try it again. Hold on, I'm gonna try it again. Come on, man, grab it, grab it. Damn, it's hard. That is so hard. You wanna try?
30-0, 30-0.
I love my avocado.
Everyone loves avocado.
Yeah, right. I'm gonna take him home and eat him.
We're gonna make some avocado toast.
Yeah, avocado toast with this. And my famous avocado salad.
Oh, you know what would probably be good? The avocado toast on the pumpkin bread.
Oh yes, that would be good. Bye, avocado.
Bye, Mr. Avocado.
Bye, bye.
Sounds exhausting, but yeah.
Look at even have more over here. Look. Do you have napkins?
I don't, I'm sorry.
You don't? You want to get one? Are they hot? Or?
Yeah, just Tom, you grab one.
You want a candy one?
Yeah, mini donut.
Squishy.
Yeah.